Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to Maths Online class of Class 2. Myself Priya, and I hope you all are doing good and enjoying your classes. And I hope you have completed your homework also given in the last video. Now today you will learn addition and subtraction sums of 3-digit number, which is given on page number 53 to 60. So all of you open your book, page number 53, and pay attention here. Now this is your page number 53. Here you will learn borrowing tens and hundreds. Now come to exercise part. Question is 235 minus 68. minus 68. First we will subtract the ones. 5 is less than 8 now. Take borrow from 10 side. Here will be 15. Here 2 remaining. 15 minus 8 is 7. Here you see 2 is less than 6. You have to take borrow from 100 side. Here will be 12 and here 1 remaining. 12 minus 6 is 6. 1 minus 0 is 1. The answer is 167. Now come to next. The question is 346 minus 79. First we subtract the ones. 6 is less than 9. Take borrow from 4. Here will be 16. Here will be 3 remaining. 16 minus 9 is 7. Now subtract the tens. 3 is less than 7. Take borrow from 3. Here will be 13. And here 2 remaining. 13 minus 7 is 6. 2 minus 0 is 2. The answer is 267. These you do yourself. Now do this one. 250 175 minus it. 0 is less than 5 now. Take borrow from here. Here will be 10. Here 4 remaining. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now subtract the tens. Here also 4 is less than 7. Take borrow from 2. Here will be 14 and here 1 remaining. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now subtract the hundreds. 1 minus 1 is 0. The answer is 75. Now next 621 minus 522. Now subtract the ones. 1 is less than 2. Take borrow from here. Here will be 11 and here 1 remaining. 11 minus 2 is 9. Now subtract the tens. Here 1 is less than 2. Take borrow from 6. Here will be 11 and here 5. 11 minus 2 is 9. Now subtract the hundreds. 5 minus 5 is 0. The answer is 99. Like this you do rest of the part in homework. Now second exercise. The question is 678 minus 89. First we subtract the ones. Here you can see 8 is less than 7. 8 is less than 9. Take borrow from 7. Here will be 18 and here 6 remaining. 18 minus 9 is 9. Now subtract the tens. 6 is less than 8. Take borrow from 6. Here will be 16 and here 5 remaining. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now subtract the hundreds. 5 minus Here nothing is given, right here 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. The answer is 589. Now next, the question is 121 minus 62. Subtract the ones. 1 is less than 2. Take borrow from 2. Here will be 11 and here 1 remaining. 11 minus 2 is 9. Here you can see on 10 side you see 1 is less than 6. Take borrow from here. Here will be 0 and then here 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. The answer is 59. Like this you do other part also in homework. Students, after doing your work, you match the answers from here. Yes, now come to page number 54. Question number 1. 200 minus 25. First we will subtract the ones. You can see here 0 is less than 5. Take borrow from 10 side. Here will be 10, here 9 and here 1 is remaining. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now subtract the tens. 9 minus 2 is 7. Now subtract the 100, 1 minus. Here nothing is given. You can imagine 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. The answer is 175. Now next question is 100 minus 67. First subtract the ones. 0 is less than 7. Take borrow from this side. From 10 side, this here will be 10 and here 9. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. The answer is 33. Write in the space given 33. Next, the question is 702 minus 56. 2 is less than 6 now. Take borrow from tens. Here will be 12, here 9 and here 6 remaining. 12 minus 6 is 6. Now subtract the tens. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now subtract the 100. 6 minus 0 is 6. The answer you got here 646 and write in the space. Now other remaining parts you will do yourself. Now next question, 900 minus 34. You can subtract the ones. 0 is less than 4. Take borrow from 10 side. Here will be 10 and here 9 and here 8 is remaining. Now 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. Now 8 minus 0 is 8. The answer is 866. Next question, 807 minus 59. Subtract the ones. 7 is less than 9. Take borrow from 0. Here will be 17. Here 9 and here 7 remaining. 17 minus 9 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4 and 7 minus 0 is 7. The answer is 748. Write in the space given 748. Now next, 700 minus 268. Subtract the ones. 0 is less than 8. Take borrow from 10 side. Here will be 10, here 9 and here 6 is remaining. 10 minus 8 is 2. Subtract the tens. 9 minus 6 is 3. Now subtract the 100. 6 minus 2 is 4. The answer you got here 432. Write in the space given 432. Like this other part also you do yourself in homework. After doing, match the answers from this page, but you have to do yourself first. Now come to page number 55. This is also same. Question number 1. The question is 123 minus 14. First subtract the ones. 3 is less than 4, take borrow from tens. Here will be 13 and here 1 remaining. 13 minus 4 is 9 and 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1 minus 0 is 1. The answer is 109. Write in the space given 109. Now next 420 minus 67. Subtract the ones. 0 is less than 7, take borrow from 12. Here will be 10, here 1 remaining. 10 minus 7 is 3. Now subtract the tens. 1 is less than 6, take borrow from 4. Here will be 11 and 11 minus 6 is 5. Here 3 is remaining. 3 minus 0 is 3. The answer is 353. Like this you do yourself this one. Now next line 250 minus 125. Subtract the ones, take borrow from tens. Here will be 10, here 4 remaining. 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 2 is 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. The answer is 125. (476 minus 384). Now subtract the ones. 6 minus 4 is 2. Subtract the tens. 7 is less than 8. Take borrow from hundreds. Here will be 17 and here 3. 17 minus 8 is 9. Now subtract the 100. 3 minus 3 is 0. The answer is 92. Like this you do these parts in homework. Now come to this one. 806 minus 798. Subtract the ones. It is 6 is less than 8. Take borrow from 0. Here will be 16. Here 9. Here 7. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now subtract the tens. 9 minus 9 is 0. Now subtract the hundreds. 7 minus 7 is 0. The answer is 8. Like this you do other part also, and this one also you have to do in homework yourself. Do more practice of these. These all are same. After doing, match the answers from here, and your writing should be neat and clean. Now come to page number 56. Question number 1 is, here you will learn word sums. A forest had 856 trees. 289 trees were cut down. How many trees were left? 856 minus 289. You have to subtract. In forest, how many trees? 856. How many cut down? 289. Now how many are left? Means you have to subtract. So first we subtract the ones. 6 is less than 9. Take borrow from 10 side. Here will be 16 and here 4 remaining. 16 minus 9 is 7. Now subtract the tens. Take borrow from 100 side. Here will be 14 and here 7 remaining. 14 minus 8 is 6. 7 minus 2 is 5. The answer is 567 trees were left in the forest. Now next question. 120 children are going to a park in 2 buses. 65 are in one bus. How many children are there in the other? So what will you do? You have to subtract. From 120, you have to subtract 65. Now subtract the ones. 0 is less than 5. Take borrow from here. Here will be 10 and here 1 remaining. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 11 minus 6 is 5. The answer is 50. 5 children are in the other bus. You have to do in the space given in the book. These all answers. Now next, Venu collected 122 shells. Ajit collected 239 shells. How many more shells did Ajit collect? So what will you do? Here you have to subtract 122 from 239. Now subtracted, 9 minus 2 is 7, 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. Like this you have to do in your space given in the book. The answer is 117 shells. Ajit collected more. Like this you do other question also. One more we will do. Maya has 327 coins. She has 138 coins more than Anne has. How many coins does Anne have? Yes, students, here you have to subtract 138 from 327. Seven is less than 8. Take borrow from 2. Here will be 17 here. 1 remaining. 17 minus 8 is 9. Now here you see 1 is less than 3. Now take borrow from 3. Here will be 11 and here will be 2 remaining. 11 minus 3 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. The answer is 189 coins and have. Now next question, 186 people are watching a movie in a cinema. The cinema has 300 seats. How many seats are empty? Here also same you will do from 300 minus, you have to subtract 186 from 300 to get the empty seats. Means कितनी seats खाली हैं. Those are watching a movie. There are 186 people and total seats in the cinema 300. Now subtract how many are empty seats. Okay. Now first we subtract the ones. 0 is less than 6. Take borrow from tens. Here will be 10 and here 9 remaining. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. And here 2 is remaining. 2 minus 1 is 1. The answer is 114 empty seats. Okay. Like this you do other part also. Ravi school has 826 students. Nita's has 238 students less. How many students does Nita's school have? Here also you will subtract 238 from 826. Now next you do yourself. Now next the temple in Rampur is to 900 years old. The temple in Rampur is 900 years old and the temple in Neil's village is 450 years old. How much older is the temple in Rampur? So what will you do? Here you have to subtract 900. You have to subtract 450 from 900. Like this. Okay, you will get the answer here 450. Now you have to do in books and copies both. Okay, you have to do in books and copy both this page, but your writing should be neat and clean. No need to write the question, only you do solutions. After doing you can match the answers from this page. I hope you understood. Now page number 57. This page you will do yourself in homework. Revision worksheet 3. And answers of this one I will give you in next video of this page. You have to do in book only, don't write in copy this page. Now come to page number 58, adding 3 numbers. Okay, here you will learn how to add 3 numbers. In which order you add the number, the sum is the same. Whether you are adding from this side or from middle one. Yes, question number 1 is 1. First you have to add 2 numbers together. First 2 number. You will get here 3. Now put plus sign. Now add next number, third one. 3 plus 2 is 5. In the space given right here, 5. Again I am telling how to do. First you have to add first 2 number. First you have to add these 2 number. You will get here 4. Now add third number. 4 plus 2 is 6. Right here 6. Now next, here also you add first 2 number. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now add next number plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Right here in the space 9. Like this you do yourself these parts. Now question number 2, addition. Here you will add in a vertical form. You have to add 3 numbers together. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Next, 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Next, 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Next question, 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Here also you will do addition of first 2 number first, then you add third number. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 40. Like this you do all parts. And after completing, tally from here your answers. Okay. Number 59. Adding 3 numbers together. First question, 1 plus 12 plus 13. Add the ones. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now add the tens. 1 plus 1 is 2. The answer is 26. Write in the space given 26. Now next question, 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Now add the tens. 1 plus 2 is 3. The answer is 38. Like this you do rest of the part. These also, these two I am telling. First you add the ones. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now add the tens. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Now come to next question. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. Add the tens. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. The answer is 87. Now next question. Question is 70. plus 10 plus 6. First we will add the ones. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 6 is 6. Now add the 10, 7 plus 1 is 8. The answer is 86. Write in the space given 86. Next question, add the ones. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Now add the tens, 2 plus 2 is 4. The answer is 49. Like this you do these part also. Now come to this question. First we will add the ones. 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Now add the tens, 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 3 is 8. The answer is 86. Now next question, 33 plus 3 plus 33. Now add the ones. 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. Now add the tens, 3 plus 3 is 6. Like this you do these part also in homework yourself. After completing this, tally the answers from here. Now page number 60, here you will learn adding 3-digit numbers and add 3 numbers together. First we will add here ones, then tens, then hundreds. First question, 121 plus 12 plus 1. First we will add the ones. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Add the tens, 2 plus 1 is 3. Now add the 100, here 1 is there only, right here 1. The answer is 134. Now next question, 132 plus 40 plus 15. First we will add the ones. 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7. Add the tens, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Now add the hundreds. 1 plus 0 is 1. The answer is 187. Like this you do these part also. Now come to this one. Question is 1 plus 23 plus 454. First we will add the ones. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. Now add the tens. 2 plus 5 is 7. Now add the 100, here write 4. The answer is 478. Now next question, 36 plus 30 plus 711. First we will add the ones. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now add the tens. 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7 and here 7. The answer is 777. Like this you do these parts. Now next question. The question is 333 plus 40 plus 212. First we will add the ones. 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Add the tens. 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Now add the 100. 3 plus 2 is 5. The answer is 588. Next one. The question is 512 plus 3 plus 364. First we will add the ones. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. Add the tens. 1 plus 6 is 7. Now add the hundreds. 5 plus 3 is 8. The answer is 879. Now come to next. 333 plus 123 plus 231. First we will add the ones. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Add the tens. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. Now add the 100. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Like this you do these part in homework. I hope you understood this one. Students, listen carefully. Match the answers from here after completing your work which I have given in homework. Now thank you everyone. Keep learning and stay safe at home.